Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss how you can make your career in the field of biotechnology. Working in a biotechnology field starts with the proper education. Though there are numerous pathways to various professions, some steps to success are universal. Here's how to get there. First point, begin with the right classes. Those who are interested in making their career in the field of biotechnology can begin their journey by taking several biology or chemistry electives while in high school. Students should also look into pursuing courses that provide both high school and college credit, such as advanced placement. Second point, start with the bachelor's degree. Once high school is over, it's time to move into college and earn bachelor's degree in biology or biotechnology or any closely related field. Though there are associate degrees in biology that will form a firm foundation for the bachelor's, most entry level positions in biotechnology will require at least bachelor's degree. So my third point is get experience. Learning about the job and getting hands-on training in the field can look great on your resume, as well as provide students an opportunity to decide what area of biotechnology interests them the most. Some students choose internship during their college years, while others seeks out part-time or full-time work with the biotech companies or labs. So my fourth point is pursue graduate studies. In many cases, biotechnology careers will require a graduate degree for advancement. Depending upon the chosen career path, student might need to embark on their master's degree or end up with a PhD in order to do work. Fifth point, stay up to date. Technology is always changing, growing and shifting. Some fields of biotechnology are moving so fast that they can literally change by the week. That's why it is so important to stay up to date by subscribing to industry publication, becoming active in industry association, keep in touch with the network contact and otherwise staying on the top of what is happening in the field. Sixth point, seek out new opportunity in the field. Biotechnology career offer quite a bit of overlap. For instance, a soil and a plant scientist might choose to eventually work as an agriculture or food scientist, and their education might support both parts. Seeking out new opportunities to expand on a current profession is one of the perks of working in the field and can lead to exciting possibilities. So these all were the steps which you can follow. Now, what job opportunities in biotechnology? A biotechnologist may find jobs in various quarters. Biotechnology jobs in India can be found in following fields. These are some biotech fields where you can find the jobs, such as drug and pharmaceutical research, public funded labs, food processing labs, bioprocessing industries, and etc. While government institutes and organizations such as Department of Biotechnology, several agriculture, dairy and horticulture institute may offer job opportunity to biotechnology professionals. Drug companies in biotechnology like Dabur, Ranbaxy, Hindustan Liver and Dr. Reddy's labs that have their R&D units offer biotechnology professionals with the handsome pay packages. There are also ample opportunities available to biotechnologists in the food processing industry, chemical industry and the textile industries. Some industries employ biotechnologists for their marketing division to develop business in sectors where their product would be required. The major companies hiring biotechnologists include Hindustan Liver, Thapar Group, Indo-American Hybrid Seed, Biocon India Limited, IDPL and Hindustan Antibiotics. So now we will discuss about salary packages. The government of India provides large-scale employment to most biotechnologists in its research labs. Those employed as researchers in government sector can have starting salary of rupees 9,000 per month along with government perks and allowances. In private sector, pharmaceutical companies generally offer salary between 12,000 rupees to 20,000 per month to an entry level postgraduate. A skilled and experienced biotechnologist can get salaries far beyond his expectations. So we have covered all the information regarding careers, job and salary package in the field of biotechnology. So stay tuned for more information and please subscribe to my channel which is known as Biotech Mania.